Black Friday and Q4 sales going into the Christmas season for Amazon sellers is right around the corner, and it's never been harder to get your inventory into Amazon. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. If this is you, you're an Amazon seller, and you're like, how am I going to get all of my inventory into the system? Keep watching this video. All right, so here's the difference between storage limits and restock limits. In storage limits, which has been around for a couple of years, it relates to IPI, and you have to have an IPI score above 450, and you get unlimited storage, right? And I give that in quotation marks because in reality, with Amazon's latest changes, you could have unlimited storage and still have restock limits preventing you from shipping stuff in. It's nonsensical. It doesn't make any sense, but it's what the reality of the clown world we live in trying to sell on Amazon. And what you can do and what you can't do is very limited, right? Your ability to sell through FBA is extraordinarily limited with restock limits, even if you have an IPI score of 450, 500, doesn't matter. Amazon is simply overwhelmed right now. The entire system is completely inundated, and they don't have enough employees at FBA to take all of the stock in, and they're also out of room with no place to put the things that you have unlimited storage for. So what do you do about this? The only thing that you can do this quarter is make sure you have a 3PL or a warehouse where you can ship fulfilled by merchant directly to the consumer. You're probably going to run out of stock at FBA as early as December 2nd. And so be prepared to raise your prices, increase your profit margin because your shipping costs are going to go up because FBA fees are significantly less than you dealing with UPS or the US Postal Service directly. For more tips like this or for help, getting some help running your account, you need to check us out at myamazonguy.com. We are a full-service Amazon agency. We run everything it takes to grow sales on Amazon, anything that grows traffic through PPC and SEO, and anything that affects conversion rate like design and catalog management. Inventory questions like the one we covered today are highly underrated, and most businesses do not plan correctly to make sure that they're ready for listing yanks or inventory stockout scenarios. This graphic here represents the entire My Amazon Guy process. If you decide to hire us, we'll do an onboarding survey, a kickoff call, competitor analysis, and an account audit all in the first week when you hire us. The middle cycle is what we do 24/7. We never stop working on PPC, catalog, SEO, and design. And by the way, a lot of would-be Amazon experts say SEO is set it and forget it. It's not. You wouldn't give me $10,000 and running a PPC campaign and then say, Steven, never do any optimization work. It's crazy. A lot of people treat their SEO just like that. But when you do these things and you continuously work on them through iterative approach, that leads to traffic, conversion, and sales. So don't delay. Contact us today. You can talk to my father, Dan Pope, who is our sales manager, by filling out this contact form. Within same-day appointments, you can set up a Zoom call, talk to my dad. He'll walk you through our entire process to see if we're a good fit for you. So go over to myamazonguy.com and let's see and hear from you.